Let's start with a table view from the iOS Health app. Here is the table for health data. If we dissect the content view for each cell, we see a UI image view, a UI label, and another UI image view. Here in the Maps app, you can see that as I type, the table is rapidly being repopulated, but the components of the small views, the magnifying glass icon, the placement of the text, those are repeating. In both HealthKit and Maps, you see an image here on the left margin, and you see the same font in the text field. These top views are instances of the same view class. The search bar is a stock view that we're going to use as well in our practice apps. If I return to the map of San Francisco and drop a pin on Golden Gate Park, clicking that pin gives me another table view. Here, the cell separators are similar to the ones we just saw, but there are no image views and each cell contains a button. Here in my contacts, the table view cells are separated into sections. But in this lesson, we're just going to stick to one section. Here in the Albums table of the Photos app, we see a similar structure, but the smaller views are formatted a little differently. The image views are larger, and we see two labels with custom font sizes. Stop for a moment and think about which of the pixels on this screen are actually drawn for the table view per se. Because the screen is filled up with these smaller repeating views, the pixels that are being drawn are contained in these smaller views. These small repeating views are called cells. They're subclasses of UI table view cell, which is a UI view. Tables tile the cell views vertically and draw in separators. Think about the different tables and their similarities. What kind of data is necessary to populate a table?